Hey there, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you the best brokers that you can buy contracts with, or better wording is CFD, in Europe. So let's just start. Now, the first thing I'm going to talk about are fees. Then I will talk about the design of applications, what I actually think about it, like which I would recommend to use. And then I would talk about like if they're actually safe for long-term investing, if you want to long-term invest through them. And like just keep in mind, CFD is really risky. Comparing to normal stocks, you can make a lot of money, but you can lose a lot of money. But you actually know that if you're looking for this. So let's just go and I'm going to show you. Now, I will be really quick. You will find links in the description. If you go through that and open the account, like you can support me and I can support you. The top three I actually recommend is XTB, Trading 212 and eToro. I'll be quick. I'm not going to like bullshit you around. I just want to give you the straight facts. XTB got really good customer service. And if you look on the fees, let me show you. The fees are the most important thing. Now, the XTB trading platform is top notch, better than eToro. Trading 212 got really good also trading platform. And let me show you. So as you can see here, the SP 500 index comparing to eToro is better. City index got it better comparing to XTB. Europe like 50 got $1.9. Again, goddamn, that's good. Euro USD is really expensive, like the Forex one. Now, eToro is also high, so this is something you need to keep in mind. The City index is the lowest. And when you would go to Trading 212, let me show you. You can see it right here, the Apple, CFD, and Vodafone CFD are low. SP 500 and Europe 500 are also like really low. 2.6, 3.9, but still, XTB is really good. Now, as I mentioned, account opening is simple. You don't have any activity fee or withdrawal fees. Web trading platform is top notch in XTB. And I don't even have like a affiliate link for XTB, but I like it so much for trading. It's much better than Plus 500. Plus 500 like is so not secured and they are scamming money out of people. eToro is alright, but you have a withdrawal fee there. But Trading 212 is also good. I recommend checking out Trading 212 because I like it the most. But eToro got withdrawal fee, you get problems with withdrawing money. So this is something you really need to keep in mind. Like City Index, or I would even compare City Index to interactive brokers. City Index interactive brokers got really bad design of trading platforms. So if you want to actually use it, I wouldn't, like, it's not easy to use, right? It's alright, but still I would go, even eToro is better than City Index, in my eyes, right? But you do you test the brokers that I recommended. Then you get like IG here or XM. I'm like, I don't actually wouldn't go with them, right? The fees are high and just no, don't do that. So to summarize this video, I will also show you Trading 212. Now, let's see. You can see right here that I can just click away to CFD in Trading 212. Nice. And just like buy, sell here, and it's like pretty simple, pretty easy to understand. So yeah, I like it. Now, if you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in comments. To summarize this whole video, XTB and Trading 212 for me are the best platforms that you can buy CFD with, and this is what I would recommend. Both of these brokers are really safe, and they are like they are covered up to 85k in the UK and then 25k in Europe or 20k in Europe. Then you got eToro that I recommend, but they got withdrawal fee of $5 every time you want to withdraw, and you have only USD, so this is something you need to keep in mind. And then I would recommend City Index and IG, but these brokers are like alright, but still, like the fees on Europe 50 is really low on IG, but I wouldn't use it personally. I just prefer using XTB or Trading 212. So thank you very much everybody for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.